Hi guys, Masha here from Masha Plans, and today we will be creating a weekly skincare spread. I'm excited to get started, but before that, make sure you check the blog post. The link is in the description to get some doodling tutorials and of course your freebie. Okay, let's get started. For the supplies, I'm using a notepad because I kind of want to have it hanging on my bathroom door. And I'm also using a lot of stuff from Archer and Olive monthly kits, such as stickers and washi tapes. I just got a few sets from May and June, I believe, and they are kind of like tea themed and self-care themed. So I thought that would be perfect to decorate this page. So I'm starting with a little kind of a header, but this time I'm putting it at the bottom because the top is going to be where my skincare schedule will be, as well as probably some washi tapes, because this is a larger notepad. So I think this is a B5 size. So I don't actually need to fill it all out with all my skincare steps, but I needed it to be kind of wide enough to fit 7 days. And you don't actually need to create a skincare spread for all 7 days. So if your routine is more or less the same every day, just create one routine and you probably won't need all that space. But for me, I kind of have different routines depending on the days. So I have the days when I do my silicone patches. I have the days when I do peeling, the other days when I do retinol. So if I don't have a schedule like this, I usually skip some steps. Or even worse is if I actually mix them up and, do my peeling and retinol at the same day. So that's my main goal for my routine, to make sure that I do everything I want to do on the days when I have to do it. And here's a little tip. Before you sit down to actually write your routine on this spread, think it through and maybe write it down somewhere else, because I actually made a little mistake here, and my routine for Tuesday is actually my routine for Monday. And also, these are my routines only for the evening, because I don't need to change my morning routine. But actually, if you do have different routines for the morning as well, you might not use that top part for washi tape, but just write your routines. And to make it kind of more clear what's the difference, I added several lines just to pay more attention to the parts that are different from day to day. And there it is. Be sure to check the blog post. The link is in the description to get your free printable.